Promise.then always fires before setTimeout, even at 0 milliseconds. Here's exactly why. The event loop has a strict rule. After each macrotask finishes, the engine checks the microtask queue and drains it completely before picking up the next macrotask. New microtasks added during this drain also run immediately. The queue must be fully empty before any other task gets a turn. This behavior is mandated by the HTML specification. What qualifies as a microtask? Resolve promise callbacks. .then.catch.finally. The queueMicrotask function and MutationObserver callbacks. Critically, microtasks run after the current task completes, but before any rendering paint or I/O operations. They occupy a dedicated high-priority slot in the loop. Here's the classic proof. Log start, schedule a setTimeout with 0 delay, then immediately resolve a promise. The output is always start, end, promise, timeout. The promise fires before the timer because .then schedules a microtask. And the microtask queue drains completely before the setTimeout callback ever gets its macrotask turn. This priority exists to let promise chains run atomically. When you chain multiple .then calls, they all complete before any other event. A click handler, a timer, even a rendering frame can interrupt. Without this guarantee, async sequences could observe inconsistent state mid-chain, causing subtle and hard-to-reproduce race conditions. The event loop drains all microtasks after each task, giving promise chains atomic priority over timers. Subscribe for more JavaScript deep dives. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.